Okay, here is the mini vacuum for the car and blower. This is right here. First I'm going to show you. You put this on here. I'll show you the blower there. Comes with a little satchel to store everything in. I'm going to keep that right there for a second. You get your main little roller head here for vacuuming or whatnot. You get an extra filter. Your USB cord for charging. You get a crevice tool. And you get your little upholstery cleaner there. And your little duster here as well, which you could fit on the back of that too. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and power it on. Basically, you just hold this down. Two speeds. Got the blower on, and you see how good that works. Take that off, like that. Put that down. It's got 2 speeds, and as you can see, it's easy to clean. You would take that off like that. Pull the filter out, like that, and pull this off like somehow. Anyway, oh, you'd have to pull it out, but no need to pull it out yet. And I'll stick that back in there like that. And we're going to reattach it. Very simple to do. Let's put it on like that, and you're good to go. And let's see, I'm going to put this little duster back on here, like that, and I'm going to try this.
So this little dingus sheds so much. So I got this Black & Decker. Watch this. First the dog's going to run away, but also... So clean. So clean. Has like a little empty button and you just dump it out in the trash can. Now, a lot of people in the comments were saying that this guy dies really quickly, but reading the instructions, because in the instructions it says when you receive the product you have to charge it until it's fully charged, right? So if you receive it and you use it right away and you bring that battery down to 0 and then you try and charge it again, it's not going to have the full battery capacity. So when you get your